Hello and welcome to Nutri-instinct. I am Ketki, a health coach and healthy cooking enthusiast. Today I'm going to make Cocomond chai tea. Cocomond milk is made with coconut and almond. So let's start with making Cocomond milk first and then later we'll make tea. Some people like their tea to be creamier. For that, you can either increase the proportion of coconut or add some store-bought coconut cream. Water proportion can be increased or reduced depending on the consistency of the milk you want. Now grind all of these ingredients as fine as possible. The Cocomond milk is ready. You can preserve this in refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. I made this video on request of many of my friends and clients who wanted to reduce their dairy consumption in their day-to-day life. Since they are so used to having their morning and evening tea with milk, they needed some options to replace milk in their chai. This recipe will serve as a stepping stone for them to reduce their dairy consumption. Now the water has started boiling, so let's add all remaining ingredients. The Cocomond milk is already sweetened with dates, so any other sweetener is optional at this point. We as family do not enjoy very strong tea, but if you like it stronger, you can boil it for a longer time and then add Cocomond milk. After adding milk, you may boil it for a minute or so. And here you go. The Cocomond chai tea is ready to serve. Enjoy!